It's a bit cold. It's about 3 degrees. So just a random thought. I'm bored of the usual dog walk I take. We'll just walk up a mountain. Lucky thing with where I live, I get a choice of all this. So can't complain really. Did you go in a puddle? Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a change from last time I seen you, because I was in lovely, sunny Barcelona. Well, 10 miles from Barcelona, as people like to point out. I'm not in Barcelona. I was 10 miles down the coast. I landed in Barcelona. Anyway, bit of a change in weather. But, who cares? Like, when this is on my actual doorstep, can't complain. Well, she's found her own path. You can't. All these fallen trees across the path. Nice. We're going our way away. She's found a way. Yeah, I think I've had 2-3 weeks off from the gym, so I went back today. Didn't feel that strong, but you know, it's to be expected. I also actually had surgery on my mouth. Surgery. I cracked the tooth in half, and dentist took it out, and the gum didn't heal properly, so it was a hole straight to the bone. Yeah, so if I had to go back to get that stitched up, so I got stitches in my mouth currently. So that's another reason why I'm not feeling the strongest, because I haven't been eating. I've literally had to cut my food up into little tiny pieces and swallow it like little tablets. Oh. Take the high path. I'm not sure where it goes, but it doesn't go high. And you know, this is like I don't know if it's a man thing or human thing. We see a rock or a mountain or a hill, we have to climb it. This way, girl. Ja. Wrong way. Back. Ja, back. She's down there. Just her. This way, come on. Oh, there she is. Good girl. So she does listen. She is 95% obedient. But you tell her like a command or something, and then she has to decide, is it in my favour first? And then she'll do it. She's 95% good. But 100% cute. I say 99% cute. 1% people think she's a mean, angry dog. Because, you know, people judge these dogs. Over. One way. Over. You gotta go over, Jet. Ja. You gotta go over this way. This way. Jump. You can do it. Yeah. Good girl. All the trees falling. It's a bit more windy over here. Who would have thought windy on top of the mountain, eh? Missed clouds. Oh yeah, someone asked me in one of my videos, is that a beanie with a peak? Yes, it's a beanie with a peak. Because I like to wear baseball caps. But also, a baseball cap isn't going to keep your head warm. So, a beanie with a peak. Best of both worlds. Just go on Amazon, type in peak beanie. There's hundreds of them. They're warm now. Oh, so these trousers, these are not chinos, these are actually hiking trousers, well, work trousers, whatever. So I recently bought a pair of hiking trousers, waterproof hiking trousers from Revolution. They were very expensive. They were £80. So I expected, you know, some really good quality trousers. When they arrived, I've never experienced material so thin. Like, unbelievably thin, almost see-through. And they said it was waterproof. I doubt it. Also, the measurements were off. Like, the waist fitted me, but the legs were so, like, they were like 5 inches too long. I'm not the tallest person, but I got a feeling that Revolution company is from like Norway, where those people are tall, and they've based it on them. So I sent those back because £80 for a pair of trousers that you're not satisfied with, you're not keeping. I went on Temu. These waterproof, fleece lined, pockets, comfortable, £18. And so far I've had them for 2 weeks now, and they're very, very good. For £18 you cannot complain. So sometimes price doesn't mean quality, you just gotta shop around. But this jacket, I don't know if you've seen this jacket was a Christmas present. It's TOG 24. I wanted a waterproof hiking jacket, and this is actually a snowboarding jacket. But I've had TOG 24 before. TOG 24 before? I've had TOG 24 before when I snowboarded. And I absolutely loved their jacket and the trousers. But unfortunately, I put on a bit of muscle since then and it doesn't fit. Slow down! Go up! I hate when she runs off, especially on top of a mountain. Good girl, good, come here. No running away, please. Hey? Slow. I'll put you on the lead. Slow. Calm down. She's too excited. There you go, good girl. Calm. She's so excitable. Yeah, so I got this TOG 24 jacket. This jacket's cool. I'd say it's expensive. I think it was like £120, which was from 170, but I absolutely love it. Unbelievably waterproof. Slow! Unbelievably waterproof, unbelievably dry, windproof, which is very important. And it's got little features. For example, in this pocket, you can tell it's for snowboarding. Stop! You got this here on like a little string. One of those bags. This here is part of the jacket. Is so you can wipe your goggles. Little features like this is really good. So that's why I got it, because I knew TOG 24 are a very good brand for snow gear. I love it. is actually really cold. I think the weather says it's 2 degrees, but with this wind, it's really cold. Who's with me when you think these are the most ugliest things to ruin this land? I absolutely hate wind turbines because, 1, they're ugly. Slow down. 2, they kill wildlife. 3, the building of them and the infrastructure does not offset the carbon they save. All they are is just virtue signaling. Because they've only got a lifespan. And after that lifespan, they don't actually recycle them. They bury them in the ground. I absolutely hate wind turbines and they just ruin this land. So that was my bitching moment. Just in case you see that little bird or something. Smell that? Okay. She was like. I don't know where I would be without coffee. I'd probably get more sleep. But then again, I have actually kept my coffee down. Oh, I used to be terrible. Oh, I want to show you this new knife. So I got this knife because I just wanted something just to put in my bag. And this is a Gerber. And it's quite expensive. Again, sometimes price is quality, sometimes it's not. But I think this is very good quality. So I think it was like £45–50. But it's extremely sharp. I've actually cut myself a few times. And it is very good quality. And literally I bought it just to do shit like this really. Gentle. Go. Not a bad feel. To sit. Have a cup of coffee. Try some salami. There you go. Hey? Do you know what I mean? Like, she absolutely loves that stuff. She's like a puppy again when she tastes it. So, I finish my coffee, enjoy the view, and then head back. It's pretty simple. Thanks guys, bye.